Welcome to my YouTube channel, Patternybooks, and today we're going to be talking about ordering custom patterns. To order a custom pattern, you're going to go to my Etsy shop and order the custom pattern. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to say which method you'd like. You can choose from mark and fold, cut and fold, or the combi. Be aware mark and fold works best for basic silhouettes and for words. You can't get a lot of detail in a mark and fold. The cut and fold will allow for a lot more detail. You can also choose the combi. The next thing is if you're going to have words, please let me know which font you prefer. There's choices of fonts in the top of the page, or if there's a different font that you want, just let me know and we will make that happen for you. If you have artwork, please upload it. If it's in black and white, it's better. If not, I can convert it as well. The more detail you give me about the book, I can also make the pattern fit exactly for your book. So if you have a specific book in mind, please let me know the page numbers and the height in centimeters, and I can make that pattern just for you. Please allow 24 to 48 hours because I manually upload the picture, work on some graphic design. So it does take a little while. It will then be uploaded in a PDF for you to either use on your computer or you can print out. So customs are a great way to give gifts. My most common ones that I have created are anniversary dates. I've done movie characters, TV characters, musicians, lots of sports teams. It's just a great way to make a gift for someone. So please consider the custom. It's very affordable and it's a lot of fun. So happy folding.